Hello guys, and welcome to my Minecraft video. And in this video I will showcase some mods. Jammy Furniture mod, then the Carpenter Blocks mod, Security Craft mod, and Bibliocraft mod. So this is the house, the first house that I have ever built. I built it in 1.4. And today I'm gonna show you some of the features of the mods. Firstly, I'm gonna look into my rubbish bin. I can put some rubbish in there, like an apple, half-eaten apple. You can't right-click it. You have to. It's glitched. You can't do that. So, open the keypad. What comes from Security Craft. Enter your code -5566 and the door opens. Go in. The door closes. Here's a little Christmas tree. You see, the block is pretty funny. Here's a little basket. Here's a little sofa. A grandpa's clock. Here's hidey hole. A chimney. Fireplace. This is a fireplace. Up there is a chimney. Table with a brewing stand. Let's enter my bedroom. So here's my armor stand with glasses. This is my toilet. I'm gonna take a bath. And here's my toilet itself. So here's my bed. And another brewing stand. Some windows. Let's go upstairs. Here are some books. Here is a couch. Again, a TV. A flower display. Some nice stairs. Here's the kitchen. Here's a little dining area. You can sit on the chair. Here's the washing machine that will fix your armor. Here's a dishwasher. Here's cupboard. They work just like chests. Here's the lamp. Here's the fridge. Here's the freezer. Here's the cooker. It cooks faster than a furnace. Here's a kitchen sink. Here's a radio. You can't listen to it, unfortunately. And here are some blinds that you can put up. You can close them and turn like that. I like mine opened. So this is that, but I want your opinion. Do you want me to make a Let's Play series of this? And if you do, please tell what other mods would you like to see. Here's a balcony also. So I really thank you for watching, and see you later guys. Bye!